Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Tompkins, Clinical Director of Dr. Brad's Laser and Cosmetic Clinic, Bristol. In this video, I would like to talk to you about my patient finance options. Let's go over to my webpage, drbrad.co.uk/patient-finance, and I'll run you through it. I've got the page up here. Let me just run you through some of the information about how you can choose to take out a patient finance option if you don't have the cash ready at the time that you actually want your treatment. So I'm working with a company called MediFinance, who are a specialist company that help to provide funding to patients who don't have the cash ready at the time they want their treatment. Personal loans are available from 12 up to 60 months, from £1,000 all the way up to £35,000 with a competitive APR. So in conjunction with my specialist finance provider, MediFinance, we are pleased to offer a more affordable way for you to fund your treatment. Let me run you through some of the information on my webpage, which is all there for you to review at your leisure. So the benefits of financing your treatment are some of the following. You can have your treatment when you want it without having to save up or having to make a major outlay of your own cash. You can spread the cost over a period that truly suits you. It really is very flexible. The discrete application process is completely managed online, and most of the applicants receive an offer of a loan immediately. You can apply in the clinic, on your phone or on your iPad, or you can do it at home at your convenience. It can be used for any treatment, but the minimum loan amount that can be borrowed is £1,000. It's only available to UK residents and to people over the age of 18. Finance is subject to status, and it's available to the employed, the self-employed, students, and even people who are claiming government benefits. You want to know how much the repayments are going to cost? Well, that will depend on the amount you borrow, the interest rate, and the term of your loan. One of the lenders will contact you directly with a personalised quotation, and you'll be given the opportunity to ask any questions before you move forward. There are no hidden costs, and you don't have to put down any money up front. There's no deposit required. The full loan amount will be deposited into your account very promptly, so you'll be able to then pay for your treatment up front. And you can expect that money to hit your account within 24 to 48 hours of your loan being agreed. You want to know if making this application affects your credit score, right? Well, an automatic soft credit search is performed for any application, and that does not affect your credit score in any way. So you can make a full application, you can even get on the phone with the lender making you the offer, ask any questions and such, and that's not going to affect your credit score in any way. So there's no penalty for you exploring your options. If you are accepted and you agree to take the loan, then a hard credit search is performed, and that is recorded on your official credit file, and that does affect your credit score. How do you make the repayments? Well, they'll be collected by direct debit, and all that will be explained to you by the lender before you agree the loan. It's important to note that the APR you're offered will depend on your personal circumstances. So reasons you might get a lower APR include not wanting such a large amount on your loan, taking out a loan for a shorter period of time, and having a good credit score. If your circumstances and requirements are the exact opposite of that, then you may expect a higher APR. But you simply click on the click here to apply now on the bottom of my screen. Not sure how well that comes out on the video, but it's very clear on the website. And when you do that, you'll be taken over to a web page which has the MediFinance logo at the very top, so you know you're in the right place, and also has the name of my premises, Dr. Brad's Clinic, immediately below it. There's a little calculator here in a grey box at the top where you can get a rough idea of how much something might cost you going forward. So you can choose to work out how much you want to borrow over what period of time, and you can give the system some indication of your credit status. Then it will give you a calculated monthly repayment, how many repayments you'll be making, the total sum of your repayments with the total interest you pay and the typical APR you might pay in those circumstances. But please be aware, this is only as a guide. You may be getting better terms than this when you actually put your application through. And to put an application through, it's dead simple. Below this, you simply enter your first and last name, mobile number and email address, and how much you want to borrow, and hit send. It's that simple. You may then get an immediate offer, or you'll receive one within 24 hours, as I say. Once the money has hit your bank account within 24 to 48 hours of being accepted, you can make arrangements with my clinic to make payment for your treatment in full, and then we can schedule you for an appointment for the treatment that you so badly want. So if you've got any more questions about me or my clinic, first please go to my website www.drbrad.co.uk, where you can find pretty much everything you want to know. All the articles on there have been written personally by me, so you know that the information on there is pretty solid. Otherwise, please feel free to give my secretary a call and we can answer any further questions or book you in for a face-to-face consultation. I look forward to welcoming you to my laser and cosmetic clinic in Bristol very soon.